Thank you for watching Mike's in the Garden, where it's my mission to show you just how easy it is to grow food. This is a longevity spinach. This is a video on why you need a longevity spinach. If you live in a climate where it's warm enough, where you can get one of these longevity spinach to thrive, then you absolutely need a longevity spinach. This is the perfect survival plant. These oval-shaped leafy greens are a great spinach. This plant can be endlessly propagated. You can cut off one of its many branches, stick it right in the ground, grow a new longevity spinach. You can stick it in a container of water, and in several weeks you'll have a whole bunch of roots, and it's easily propagated. This plant you see here, I've cut 20 times easily and have given away 20 starters of longevity spinach. I have these planted in several areas around my garden, one in a 3-gallon pot, and I have 2 more planted in the ground. I have not had to buy spinach in the last 6 months. I can come out here every day and take spinach from this plant, and all it does is make it produce more the more I take from it. This here has been in the ground about 9 months. Mine gets some shade, a little bit in the morning, a little bit at night. They do want some shade. This, I would say, gets a lot of sun, and you can see it's thriving very well. I've given this all kind of amendments, whether it's compost sprinkled around, worm castings, whether it's a Epsom salt foot bath, or where boiling vegetables, we pour the water in and around all of our plants. This longevity spinach here has done great for us this year, and we're working on saving some for the winter. This plant has tremendous health benefits. Obviously, it's a leafy green. You can go look it up. I'm not a nutritionist. I think it said it's have cured 100 diseases in Southeast Asia. Every morning I come out here and I load up a smoothie cup with longevity spinach. Cranberry hibiscus behind you, the moringa behind you, and some sweet potato leaves, all in a smoothie with a banana, some pineapple, or some frozen mango. Great start to the morning. Like I said, I've given away 20 of these longevity spinach, and I'm going to continue to give them away because, as the title suggests, it's my mission to show you how easy it is to grow food, and hopefully I've done that, showing you why you need a longevity spinach. If you happen to live in the Orlando area and you would like a longevity spinach, message me below and we'll figure out a way to get you a longevity spinach. I'm gonna keep eating off this guy. I encourage you all to get yourself a longevity spinach. I believe it grows hardiest in zones 9 through 11. So figure out how you can get one. Get it in a nice spot. It's going to grow big and wide. Excellent survival food. Like I said, this one here, the more you take from it, the more it grows. That's it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. I like to keep them short. Please do me a favor, subscribe down below. Share this if you find benefit in this video, and if you think somebody needs to learn about longevity spinach. And again, if you're in the Central Florida, Orlando area, please reach out to me. I'd love to collaborate, as well as figure out how we can get you some longevity spinach. Peace and love.